Breaking news coming from Hyderabad this evening. Ruckus being reported from Jagan Mohan Reddy's rally. A huge crowd of over 1 lakh people had gathered at Hyderabad's Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium for a united Andhra rally that was called by YSR Congress Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy. This was his first public rally after being released from jail, and what we're being told is that a man reportedly threw a shoe at the YSR Congress Chief. As you can see on your screens, visuals of YSR Congress Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy's supporters trying to manhandle the person who threw the shoe at Jagan Mohan Reddy. Eventually he was led away by the police. In fact, the police also had to resort to lathi charge to disperse the mob that started attacking the shoe thrower. For more, let's get a word from our editor South, T.S. Sudhir, who is joining us this evening. Sudhir, what more details can you share with us?
Well, this was pretty much expected since the event was taking place in Hyderabad, which is in the Telangana region. So it was on expected lines that there would be some supporters, presumably of the Telangana Congress, sneak in and try to embarrass the YSR Congress, which is obviously advocating a united Andhra. But what is more significant politically is that Jagan going on record to say that whoever supports a united Andhra Pradesh will get his party's support. Basically dangling that carrot before both the Congress and the BJP that should they want his support post-elections in May 2014, they should actually support a united Andhra Pradesh. He's also appealed to the people that they should give him at least 30 Lok Sabha that he can be a force to reckon with in Delhi post-elections. So essentially all other issues, whether it's of governance or corruption, being relegated to the background as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, and the state pretty much said to vote only on single issue of whether people want a Telangana or whether they want a united Andhra Pradesh. Simi?
Absolutely. And Jagan Mohan Reddy becoming a victim of a shoe attack as he tries to project himself as a champion of a united Andhra Pradesh. T.S. Sudhir, thanks so much for those details. We'll continue tracking that story and getting political reactions as well. Time now for our series So Sorry, where we take a look